Hey everyone, this is Dan Caruso, Sports Director here at Agency Access. Today we're going to go through a quick video of how to search companies in the directory. When you log into your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. From the dashboard, you can click the Go to the Directory button here, or you can use the icon in the left-hand navigation bar. When you hover over this icon, you have the option of going directly into a contact company or brand search, or you can click the icon itself and it'll drop you directly into contacts. From here, we're going to click on companies in the top of the screen, and that'll drop us into the company's directory dashboard. So like the contacts dashboard, you can see your saved searches, you can review your recent searches, and you can also see some recently added companies to the database. With your saved searches, you have the option of clicking the three-dot menu button and loading, pinning, renaming, or deleting the search. But more importantly, you can do a new search. So for a keyword search, we can search a company like Nike, for example, and hit enter. And that'll pull up any company that matches our search. So we're going to go ahead and we'll select Nike in New York. And we'll just take a look at the company itself. You can see the contacts they list, accounts, and the history of the company. Okay, you can also add companies to a list from here if you were to select the checkbox and use the three-dot menu option down here. We can select add to list. Okay, we're going to go ahead and clear this search, and now we'll do a filter search. Within the filters, you have a couple different options. So you can do company type first. So we're going to go ahead and select corporations. Once you select the company type, you can also go further and select the specialty by using this arrow here. And we'll go ahead and select food corporations. Okay, now you don't have to use multiple filters if you don't want to. You do have the option. So let's say we wanted food corporations, but we only want food corporations in the United States for right now. Okay, so now we're showing results of 449 matches with 2 filters applied. From here, you can again go into the companies to review the type of work they do, what type of company it is, and you can also select companies to add to a list again if you were looking to add it to an existing list or a new list. Okay, now lastly, we're going to go ahead and save this search. And we'll go ahead and name it Corporations Food US Only. Okay, we're going to use the pin save search to launchpad button here as well. And go ahead and click save search. Okay, so now if we clear this search out, we come back to our directory dashboard, and we can see our new corporations Food US Only. Okay, so that sums up our video for today. Should you have any further questions on this topic, please feel free to check out our help center at help.agencyaccess.com.